What's up guys? Me and Mala, we're going for some cold drinks today. No place in mind, we're just gonna explore Malad right now. Let's see what we can find today and enjoy it. We are on the SV road. We are sure there will be something for us to drink here. Mala, thoda left में आके रख यार please.
From BTS Studio, this is Mission ISRO, a Spotify original podcast about how India
ये पी रहे हैं
reaches
क्या?
space.
श्रीजी कुल्फी.
Over the course of this podcast, you'll get to go behind the scenes during the launch of India's first few rockets and, of course, the first
Truck band
Indian trip to space.
Arey, truck.
I'm Harsha Bhogle.
Okay.
It's a journey you would
पानी
not
पी लेते
want to miss.
ये कुछ तो है left में.
When you unlock the power of
There's something on the left. देख
you
देख
are
what is it?
unlocking freedom. The freedom to download music and take it with you. Listen offline to save data.
What is this?
Plus, enjoy all your music
Food mode.
ad-free.
I think it's
Listen
a-
without limits
Oh, it's a
and hear
thousand or
your
something.
favorite playlists without interruptions. Experience the
Arey,
power of
wow.
premium. Tap the banner.
What's up guys? So we finally found a good place to drink something. It's called Food Mode. I've parked the car somewhere behind. What we're going to do is we're going to order something to drink while Mala waits in the car, and then we're going to taste it and tell you guys how does it taste. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get the menu. guys, our black mojito is ready. Crossing the road, going to meet partner in crime. She couldn't make it here because she's guarding the car so that nobody can steal it. Okay, anyway, so it's looking really good, guys. Let's see how it tastes. It's pretty much combinations of a lot of syrups with a lot of ice and lemon, and finally he had added some thumbs up in it. Let's see how it turns out to be. Oh, there she is, Mala. Oh, there is an idli wala also. Check it out. Yeah? Okay, he added some thumbs up in it. That's the black component. No straw. I totally forgot to take the straw. Okay, chalo. So फरमाइश है straw लाने की, obviously because we forgot to take the straw. Again, all the husbands out there who tend to forget just like I do, it's okay. We're gonna go and get the straw real quick. We got the straw. Oh, here the Instagram photos are being taken. Chalo, I got the straw for you. Wait, take some shots with the straw in it. Yeah. Oh.
But this.
Arre wow. Chalo, tell us how it is. Huh? That good?
So refreshing.
Very refreshing. Who are taking the straw for? Okay. So guys, it's not that far either. It's right around the wall that you see.
But I really like the color combination.
Oh yeah, you do?
This looks attractive.
I think literally if I tell you, will you believe me? There are just 2-3 syrups combined in it with a lot of ice, some lemon and thumbs up. That's it.
और ये blue color क्या है इसमें? Blue color.
That's a syrup. Some blue syrup. I forgot the name. Good, na? Pura piyegi. Oh, let me come. So now my turn. Let's see how it is. Okay. Chalo, let's see how it is.
इतना बड़ा सिप.
That is so good, यार. मस्त है guys, seriously. माला तू अपने लिए कुछ और ले ले यार. No guys, seriously, it was really good. It has the tanginess of a lemon and the freshness of a mint, and those two syrups really go well with the drink. I would totally recommend you guys to drive here. This place is called Food Mood. I'm sure it will be on Google or something. We literally found it by accident. We went ahead to just explore.
और ये रात 12 बजे तक खुला रहता है.
Okay, so it's open till maybe 12 AM. Obviously, I think आजकल तो चल ही रहा है सब कुछ.
मैंने हिंदी में बोल दिया, तुमने इंग्लिश में बोल दिया, एक ही बात.
हाँ ठीक है ना. देसियों के लिए भी विदेशी दोनों के लिए बनेगा ना. Yeah, it's okay. So, okay guys, let her enjoy while. Woo! You know what happened? I told him that I'm going to film this. He immediately gave me a better glass.
लगता है इस चीज़ का फायदा उठाना चाहिए.
Oh yeah, we should. So guys, we get the special glasses. I don't know if you heard or not, but yeah. And you saw the rush out there. It was pretty good. So these guys have milkshakes and everything in it. Very affordable. We paid $60 for this, and they do accept Google Pay and stuff. Yeah, it was only $60. So pretty good. I think it's a win-win for all of us.
I think ये हमें हर रोज आना चाहिए.
Well, not her rose, because I can't keep on going to get the straws all the time, na? Alright guys, we're gonna enjoy the drink. So yeah, our honest opinion, me and Mala, so the verdict's finally out. We really like the black mojito, and it is definitely worth the price, and it's definitely value for money, right? What are you looking?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think we are standing on a petrol pump, so we're gonna make it really short. So whenever you guys come here, I did ask them for a couple of other drinks as well, and they make a really good green apple mojito as well. So they cut up good pieces of green apple. By the way, I asked them when I was giving the glass, and they have some green apple syrup and I think some sort of a sparkling water or something, soda ya kuch tha. But pretty good, so do give it a shot. I mean, you'll really like it. I'll leave the description and the place title below in the descriptions. So make sure you like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel.
And do like the video.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
guys.